Welcome, this is Steve Dukas, Product Specialist Manager for Alesis. We're here at Pasic Convention in Columbus, Ohio. We're here on the floor showing Alesis percussion equipment. I want you to pan down right here. I want you to take a look at one of the things we're demoing here at Pasic in Columbus, Ohio. This is the Alesis DM5 Pro Kit. What you're looking at here is a fully enclosed electronic drum set. It comes with everything you see here minus your kick drum pedal and your throne. Why? Those are your own personal feels and touches you want to put on your kit. So it lets you customize the kit the way you want it to. It's gonna ship with 4 of your shell-style drum triggers. It's also going to ship with the shell-style kick trigger right here at the bottom. It's also going to ship with your hi-hat trigger, a hi-hat control and a hi-hat trigger up here. You got a crash trigger and you got a ride trigger, and all the cabling and the rack itself. Everything you need to set it up at home. This particular kit is going to have a street price of $5.99, and we're shipping them right now in stock at your local Alesis dealer. Let's say, for instance, you have a group of triggers already that you have on your own, or you have a couple of outboard pieces you want to put in your computer. This is the Alesis Trigger I/O. What you're looking at is a half rack space right here. Let me flip it around so you can see it a little bit better. What does this piece do? It takes any external triggers that you have, you plug them right into the back of here, and you're going to notice I have a USB right out to your computer. This particular piece is going to be bundled with BFD Lite software. This is drum triggering software. So you see I got a very simple setup for you right here. I took one of our Alesis shell triggers right here. And if you take a look what I'm doing, I'm going right out from this trigger into the Trigger I/O, and now you're triggering samples directly into your computer. This particular piece has got a street price of $149, and it is stock and shipping right now as we speak. One more thing I want to show you in the percussion line, if you take a walk right over here, this is the Alesis pad control. This piece is already on the streets and shipping. You're talking about a $199 street value right here. And right off the bat, you see what it has. Your triggers are actually right on board. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right on board. You also have a kick trigger and a hi-hat trigger, just a standard 1/4-inch jack on the back to add a kick trigger and a hi-hat to this pad set. Also, you have an additional 2 trigger inputs. So let's say you want to make this the center of your very small but efficient electronic drum set. Now you can add 2 external triggers if you wanted to add more toms or cymbals. This is a MIDI controller. You do have a MIDI in and out. However, you can send MIDI through your MIDI out jack, but you can also send MIDI directly out through your USB port. Now if you take a look at what we're doing here, I only have this one USB going out to the computer. It is bus powered through USB. What does that mean? That means you don't need to power it. You can just plug it in right through USB. Your computer will power it and do the work. And as you hit your pads, you're actually triggering the included BFD Lite software. This particular piece has got a street price $199, in stock, shipping right now.